Magic 89.9.
Once again, that was Next Stone. Thank you so much for coming, you guys. And if you've just tuned in, we are on Night Live. You can watch us live on Facebook.com/Magic899 as well as on Twitch.tv/Magic899TV. Hi! Tayo ka. Nakaya naman sa amin. Actually, that's the first time the drummer is on that side. He's usually here. So, first time nakitang-kita yung drummer namin. Nakaya naman, dito ka. Yeah, exactly. Last time you guys were here, y'all were wearing very colorful outfits, but yet no colored hair. And now we have colored hair and track suits, matching track suits. Y'all should have told me. I would have worn my sambas. Para medyo, what is the inspiration behind our outfits for today?
What is the inspiration?
Was there any?
It's giving sporty.
Yeah, ayun. No inspiration. We thought na it would look cool. Like a modern tuxedo na ganun lang.
Oh, modern tuxedo. Come join us. Na para bang others. Ganito to. Okay, so you guys were here for, am I correct, Nightlife as well, right? Yes. Last time with JJ.
Yes.
Colorful outfits. Over here with just... Oh, we also played a few songs, and now you're on part of the top 5 of the Magic Pop 30, right? With your cover of Kailan. Sige lang, okay lang.
Okay lang.
You want to get the mic? Okay.
He's too shy to
It's all right, kids. It's okay. With your cover of Kailan, and now you also played a few covers, which were amazing, by the way.
Thank you.
But you explained why you played End of Beginning. I want to know what's the story behind playing My Sharona for you guys. It's complicated, no? Daming wires.
Pasahan na lang
Sige,
tayo.
ayan. Okay. Makakarating. Yan. Okay, go.
Siguro, the first song, End of Beginning, we're kind of a fan of Stranger Things.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
The show, yeah.
So famously nag-end yung show recently. So
Don't spoil. I haven't watched it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
So,
No.
hanggang
Yeah,
dun
yeah.
na lang.
Just
You should watch it
anyway.
right now.
Yeah.
I should watch it. Yeah, a lot of people have told me that. But okay, so End of Beginning, because that's Joe Keery from
Yeah.
Stranger Things. And the last song, what was the inspiration behind playing that song?
Kasi we played My Sharona. We picked to play My Sharona tonight kasi first of all, malaki na yung ginagalawan na namin tonight. Hindi na yung nakaupo. So, that's one of the lagi namin excited na i-play every night sa gigs, diba? So, we thought, every end of the gig. So, we thought na, siguro let's end our second night live here with My Sharona.
Oh, yeah, because it's a big number. That's
Yeah.
why. Do you guys like the new setup?
We love the new
It's been a long time coming. And of course, thank you so much to Joint Venture for making this setup possible for us over here on Night Live. Now, you guys were here a few months ago. Now, top 5, 2 songs on the Magic Pop 30, not just one, right? So how does it feel to be on the Magic Pop 30?
Feels like my dreams have been,
My prayers have been answered.
prayers have been answered,
Ang
yes.
saya kasi nanonood kami ng movie nun, tapos nagulat kami. I think Kailan went top 7 pa lang nun.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
nagulat kami nun.
Oo.
So, ayun. Nawala yung namin eh. Nawala yung...
What do you mean?
Parang, basta nagulat tayo eh. Nagulat tayo. Tapos nag-send na agad kami sa GC kasi hindi kami magkakasama eh. Tapos si Alia nagsabi, totoo ba to?
Ay, di ba maniwala? Pwede namin
Ay,
tanggalin.
mamaya.
Mabubura. No, but no, the songs are really good, and a lot of the people also like your songs. So of course, here at Magic, we give so much value to OPM as well as Rising Stars, and of course, old hits as well. And you guys did that with such a great cover with Kailan. That's why it reached the top charts. Sorry, naubo ako. But yeah, okay. So you guys have a new song, Taft Ave.
Yes.
What is the story behind the song? When did you guys write it? What happened? It's called Taft Ave, but because most of you guys are students,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
But you're not from Taft Ave, am I right?
Me
am
and
I wrong?
Me and Ant are from
Okay.
Taft.
Binild.
Benilde,
Ayun,
yes, got it.
Taft Ave, nasulat ko siya. I wrote the song first kasi yun nga, it was my first year in Benilde, so na-culture shock ako sa Taft and the people there and like how siguro straight to the point na, no? Like how relationships are formed in Taft, no? Kasi
No, yeah.
Yeah, so-
Trust me, I know.
yeah. And like yung mga college like okay, nasa
Yeah.
tayo dito.
Okay, game.
So yung mga parang college love ganon. So parang Mas lalo si Ira natin. He's rolling his eyes kasi relate
ba?
Is
kasi
there-
I'm not gonna speak anymore.
yeah.
Is there a true to life backstory of Taft Ave?
Surprisingly for him.
Oh.
About
We don't even know each other yet
When
he
I
was
wrote the
writing this.
song.
Oh, okay.
Pero ayun, it was about, initially the song was about casual love. Basically, that's it. So parang
Situationships, something like that, yeah.
the guy's falling in love but the girl dead malang, ganon. Or kahit vice versa, wala naman kaming specific na sinabi. Pero we also wanted it to become a love letter to people who study in Taft na rin. Kaya binanggit namin yung binanggit natin yung Lasal doon. Sabi namin yung pag-commute, pag-bilyar, pag-aaral. So, very...
Sa sawala.
Yeah. Bakit ba yun yung inaano mo?
Oh, I think my wonder is, I'm very happy for this song, right? Because I am from LaSalle. But you guys are from Benilde. Why didn't you mention, did you mention Benilde in the song as
Hindi,
well?
kasi inisip ko, ito like totoo lang to. I put De La Salle na lang. Hindi ko sinabi university
generalize.
kasi para hindi siya closed.
Yeah.
Kasi yung Benilde De La
right,
Salle
De La
rin
Salle,
eh.
Benilde,
So I was
tama, okay.
Bahala na sila doon.
Yeah.
Ano interpret?
No, truly, being in Taft is a culture in itself,
Yes.
a microeconomical society, because love in Taft is really different from love in other places. Should I say love, or should I say just, situationships, mga pinagdadaanan? Salita ka.
Ant.
Comment on the song.
agad nandun sa'yo.
Comment on the song. Shaky a little bit.
Gusto kong sumabog at magsabi ng
Okay. Okay, so let's talk about school life a little bit. Because some of you guys are in college, right?
Yes.
What year are you guys in?
Year 2 kami ni Ant.
Year 3.
Kayo po, what year are you?
Tapos na siya.
What year did you stop trying to pretend you were in college?
Zoic.
College
Graduate na.
BSIT lang.
Oh, okay. So, Upper, you did not study in Taft.
No.
No, he didn't.
Okay, where did you go to college? Because not everybody went to Taft, right? So where did you go to college?
Kahit area, saan kang area nag-college?
Sa atin lang.
Sa atin.
Kainta po.
Kainta. Ayan.
Okay,
Rizal.
so
Kainta
from
Rizal.
the song, nakarelate ka rin ba? Even if it is a story from Taft, even if it's
Siyempre,
talking about a
kasi
love story in Taft.
Yung kanta kasi na yun, hindi lang naman siya regarding sa tough lang. Yung story niya is about sa tao.
Totoo naman.
Tama.
Kaya nakaka-relate ako.
Oo. So you don't have to be from LaSalle, you don't have to be from Taft to be able to relate to this song, right? And
Yes.
truly, you know what? My advice from somebody who has been there, maybe try not to date from Taft if you are from Taft.
Wow.
You know, just throwing it out there, my university, ano pa naman, streets other than that. But okay, so you guys in college now, as well as a college graduate, saan kayo tumatambay madalas when you were in college or now that you are in college?
Ikaw, Antipolo boy. Ikaw muna magsabi saan ka.
Oo nga, saan pwedeng tumambay sa Antipolo?
Robinsons.
Robinson's
Sa Ahon Coffee.
Ahon Coffee.
Oo.
or Triangle Mall.
Sayang
Oh,
ka.
what's Triangle Mall?
It's like it's across the street from my school. Like
From Antipolo
just
naman
cross the
siya.
street and it's right there. It's like a mini version of a mall.
Sorry because
Yeah.
I passed by Antipolo, Benilde, right? Benilde,
Yeah.
Antipolo. Katabi nyo, memorial.
I'm actually a model there. Andun ako. Like, naka-green hair ako. Yun sa mga posters nila.
Damn.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, so to everybody who is passing by that school,
Shout out,
antabayanan
guys.
nyo.
Ito idol, oh.
Shout out to
Oo.
my Antipolo
May
classmates.
taga Lasal
in Benil.
pero Dasmariñas. Hello.
Hi, guys.
Yes, I feel like all LaSallians are one and the same, even if you are not from LaSalle, Manila. So where do you guys usually hang out? Because in the song, you talk about billiards, tumatambay kung san-san. Nagbibilyar ba kayo?
Nakikiano lang.
Mami, ano ba naman to?
Once again, hindi para sa lahat yung kantang yun.
Not
But
for the
saan tayo
band.
tumatambay? U-Mall.
Yung mo, no?
Macdo sa may Taft. Katabi ng DLSU.
Hindi makarelate.
Ano ba ba? El Poco. El Poco.
Oh,
Five
yeah.
stars.
No. Yeah. Tama. Marami naman pwedeng
Barn.
pagtambayan sa Taft,
Born
right?
hindi ako nagbaborn.
Yung nagbaborn.
Hindi
Last
kami
night.
nagbaborn.
Okay. Tama na po. Baka magsisihan pa yung mga bata natin dito. Okay, so for people who are finding you guys out for the first time, you're called Next Stone. Why are you guys called Next Stone? Now, we've talked about this in the interview before, and if you want to watch it, it is on YouTube, Magic 899 TV. But for those who are listening on air right now, why are you guys called Next Stone?
Next Stone started as the next one. Pero it was just an Instagram caption.
Caption,
Diba?
yeah.
Tapos, that was that wasn't the initial band name kasi that was medyo pangit.
It's a temporary
Oo,
band name.
temporary siya at the time. Pero we made it Next One. Tapos umabot sa point na we decided to make it Next Stone. Pero if people say Next One, we don't get upset naman kasi yun nga, people could read it as Next One. And
Yeah.
parang yung Next Stone lang is to make it a little different yung para sa amin. And ayun, play on words lang siya kasi parang Next Tone, it could also be like where the yung tone na susunod.
Or the next band.
the next big thing.
big thing, yeah.
Ayun, basically that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, it is also kind of like a throw out into the future, and you guys want to be the next big thing out there in the music industry. So, how did you guys finally close down on the band? Because we hear a lot of stories how bands were made. When was the time that you guys thought, okay, eto na, we're ready, this is Next Stone, this is how we're gonna be, this is how we're gonna sound like? When did you guys figure out na this is what we needed to complete the band?
Yun. Very, process kasi talaga yung pagbuo ng band namin. We started off with 2 other different drummers pa nung una, di ba?
Yeah.
Initially, 3-piece talaga yung band. And after nun, we met Alien na. Tapos, mga 3 years yata kami tumatakbo na 3-piece talaga. Then, last year, nagkaroon kami ng pahinga. Nagpahinga si Alien. Tapos, after nun, we decided bigla nung nakilala ko si Ant through school, yun na, doon ko kasi if you actually look at the post na magkasama kaming 4, sinabi ko na we are Next Stone kasi nung nakasama na si Ant, nakita na namin yung, paano ba to, our chemistry together na naging 4 na. Tapos binalikan namin yung mga old videos ng 3-piece kami, sabi namin, ang lungkot pala.
And it looks lame. Bigla
Yeah,
na
oo.
It looks, no, don't say that. Marami, there are a lot of good 3-piece
Yeah,
bands,
oo
but
naman.
you are better as
But we-
4. So, ikaw
yes.
pa lang missing puzzle piece.
Yeah.
Or
Baka lumaki ulo.
silent killer, I guess. Yeah, not
Honestly,
much
why
to say, but no.
We got Ant because parang sila kasi nakaka-relate drums and bass Maglagi silang pair Ako kasi parang lonely. Wala
Mag-isa
ako
siya
ka-
gitarista
Oh,
lang.
so he needed a
My
friend,
twin.
right?
Yeah.
Things are better in 2. So it's a new year. We're almost done with January, right? And a lot more months to go for 2026. What can we expect from you guys? Gigs, new songs, new albums as well, if you are going to have some?
Ayun,
New song.
new song. So,
On
unahan natin
Valentine's
sa
Day.
new song. On Valentine's Day,
Yeah.
Feb 14, we'll be releasing. Well, hindi pa siya officially announced pa. Pero ngayon, so dito, announced na
Announce
siya
mo na
agad.
natin.
the spot.
Pwede na rin.
So, pero ngayon, ano na siya?
Yeah,
Oh,
oo.
yeah, right. Or not so secret
Or not
with
so
Next
secret
Stone,
na
right?
from us. Feb 14 will be the release of Taft Ave. We actually shot a music video
Ooh.
for it 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Paguran sa Taft
Actually,
talaga.
last
So
night.
talagang
Oh, wow. How'd you
Yeah.
guys do that in Taft? Hindi kayo
Yes.
nabangga or anything?
hindi naman. Muntik na, madami na kami
Oo nga eh, right.
May
yeah.
position
Oo.
Super hirap. We have 2 people playing the 2 main characters sa storyline na we actually made. Ayun, yun yung
Shout out sa kanila.
Yeah, pinaka big thing. Thank you kay pwede ba mag-shout out na Bez?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you Reese and Jason
Hi,
and
guys.
kay M for taking videos for and Wax and M. Yan. Tapos our gigs, we have a gig this
12
Sunday.
Monkeys.
This Sunday ba? This Sunday, 12 Monkeys. Feb 8,
What
we have a
day?
12 Monkeys.
Ano
gig.
araw yun?
That's a Sunday. Tapos every Friday we have Rico's Marikina.
Oh.
With Kudos Loves 80s.
Really?
Yes.
In Marikina?
Yeah, in Marikina.
When's that? Sorry, need to get... When?
Every
Every
Friday.
Friday.
We actually
Every
have
Friday.
Every
regular.
Friday in Marikina. I'll call up all of my friends from Marikina to
pala,
go
she's from
watch.
Marikina,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
We'll see you this
yeah.
Friday. Hopefully.
And Feb 4, meron tayong 70s Bistro. Ayan. With other bands doon. With Chindetera yata nandun, di ba?
Chindetera.
Ayan.
Yeah. You know.
Alright. Megan
Megan
Tarsi.
Tarsi.
Okay. Ayun.
Right.
Those are the gigs, yeah.
Very exciting. You guys have a jam-packed schedule, right? So don't forget, studies first, band right next to it, right? For
Yeah.
sure, because we want to see more of you guys. Thank you so much for coming onto the show.
Thank you.
And if you want to find them on social media, oh goodness, oh goodness.
All right, if you want to find out more from us, updates, Facebook, Instagram, you can listen to us in Spotify as well.
Our original songs are available there.
Yes.
All right. Goodness, these boys. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching Night Live. Again, Next Stone, you can find them on all digital streaming platforms, and their new song, Taft Ave, is going to be released on February 14 with a matching music video. So stay tuned for that. We're going to have that for Magic Plays for sure. And of course, Night Live is going to happen again next Tuesday, same time, same place, with a band called Goyo, the indie folk pop band. They're going to be here, so stay tuned for that. Again, if you missed the live, you can watch their interview and their performance on YouTube. That's Magic 899 TV. Thank you so much to Joint Venture for helping this wonderful setup. Once again, this is Night Live with me, Isabel, and Next Stone. You're listening to today's best music. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.